Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Today I'm going to show you how you can create appointments in your Outlook calendar. So let's get into it. Over here you can see I am on the Outlook app. This is the desktop app. However, the same steps can be applied if you're using the browser version. So at the bottom of your page, you will see a calendar icon. Alternatively, you may see it at the top left-hand side, depending on which look you're using. You're going to navigate to this calendar, and from here, you can see that there is a calendar view. Now, there are two ways of doing this. Let's go ahead and use the first method. We're going to click on a date. So that's the 3rd of May. And right over here, you can enter in a bunch of details on that day. Alternatively, we can go up to the left-hand side and you can see now it says new appointment, and we're going to tap on that. Now, once you tap on new appointment, it'll open a new window, and here you can put in a title. So let us say appointment with employees, and then you can see that there's a start time. It's now selected Friday and it's the date, and then also there's an end time. Then we have the time. We can, let's say, start the meeting at 8:30 and we are going to run it up until 9:30. That's an hour. We can also make it an all-day appointment, and we can also select what time zone we're currently in. And then you can make this a recurring appointment. So with the details right over here, you can make it reoccurring daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. And then you can recur it every so many days, weeks, months, or so forth. And you can choose the days that you would like to have it reoccur. And then you can just tap on OK. I'm going to just have it a once-off appointment. Then thereafter, we can go ahead, and at the top there is invite attendees. We're going to click on that. And here you can see just underneath the title, there is a required field. And here you can invite people to join you, and they will also then have this on their calendar. Optionally, we can add in a BCC, which is a blind carbon copy, and then over on the right hand side we have the reminder. So we can go ahead and set a reminder a few minutes before our meeting or our appointment actually starts, and once you have done so, you can go ahead and enter a location, which is optional. If you would like to put that in there, you can. And then there's the body of the message here. You can say good day, and you can enter in whatever details you'd like to enter in there. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click on send. Now what this does is it puts it on your calendar with all the details, as you can see over there. Once you click on it, you can actually edit it up over here, and whatever edits you make will change also on the calendar of the attendees list. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of Microsoft product tutorials to help you. We'll see you over there. Peace out.